I'm going to be doing a Walmart haul. I got a 12-pack of Activia yogurt, 6 peach, 6 strawberry. I need some Fairlife milk. This is lactose free. I got some chicken thighs with bone-in for a recipe. Farm Rich loaded potato skins, 16 ounces. Then I saw this. I've never seen the Marie Callender bowls before. So I got some Swedish meatballs. I got 2 pounds of the grass-fed ground beef that I like. And actually this ground beef right here, I like it better than the other. And it's really not that much more. It's just a few cents more. So I get that. I'm going to try, I like the last roll-ups I got. The ham, cheese, and egg. And I'm going to try the maple biscuit roll-up, sausage, egg, and cheese. They didn't have it in anything else except sausage. I got some whole Baby Bella mushrooms that I'm going to clean and probably end up putting in the freezer till I use it. I got it coming up in a recipe. A dozen Farm Fresh Eggland's Best eggs that I like. And eggs have come down a whole lot. And I'm glad. Gee whiz. I needed some salted butter. And I put butter in the freezer until I need it. And then just take it out when I need it. A dozen strawberries that I'm going to be using in a recipe soon. I got this rotisserie chicken. It's just a traditional one that I'm going to be using in a recipe. I'll put this in a freezer bag and take it out when I need it. I got 2 8-ounce tubs of whipped topping that I need for a recipe. Mild cheddar, I got an 8-ounce. Fiesta blend, I got a 16-ounce for a recipe that's going to be coming up. I got some recipes that I'm going to be using a Fiesta blend instead of what they call for. Because I like that Fiesta blend for certain recipes. I got 2 of these orange pineapple V8 Energy that I like. Devil Foods Duncan Hines cake mix I'm going to be using in a recipe. Chocolate pudding mix, the Great Value brand. I got the family size that's going to be in a recipe. Strawberry Jello that I'm going to be using in a recipe. And lemon instant pudding mix that I need for a recipe. The Great Value self-rising flour. That was a substitute for, I think, the Pillsbury one. That's okay, it should be alright. Semi-sweet chocolate chips I need for a recipe. I thought I had bought 2 of these, but I have to check. But this is ranch dry mix that I need. It's the Great Value. That's for a recipe. Lavender chamomile Bigelow tea. I like that one. It has probiotics in it. I like these instant potatoes. The butter home style mashed potatoes. I like those. That's the only ones when my kids were growing up that they would want to eat, because the others they said were nasty. I saw these are new strawberry Swiss rolls, Little Debbie snack cakes, so I'm going to try those. I got 1 of the Bang Peach Mango energy drink, 2 of the Alani peach energy. I've never tried this one. It's the first time I've seen the peach. So I'm going to try that. And then I got the 3 of the blue, yellow, limoncello Bang energy. I like that one. Now, this one. Fridge and freezer. I didn't get that. I got the regular baking soda. I got 2 small packages. One for the freezer, one for the refrigerator. Plus, I also use it in tea and other things that call for baking soda. If any of y'all have used this, please let me know if it has any added ingredients. All I see in it is just the sodium bicarbonate. I don't know. That's not what I ordered, and they only gave me one big one. Why they didn't substitute it for a regular great value one, I don't know. But I don't know if I should be putting this in stuff that I eat or drink, because I don't know if it's safe for that, if it's added ingredients. Why they gave me this fridge and freezer one, I don't know. It really ticks me off. I didn't ask for this one. And then they gave me one large one. I needed 2. So now I got to get another one for... I'm going to get stressed out because Walmart. I'm about done with Walmart. I really am. I'm about done with their mess. I'm just about ready to just pay the extra and get with Amazon Fresh. And people say, well, why don't you go to the store and get it yourself? Well, I wish I could. I don't have a car. I'm disabled. So, there. It's hard for me to get around. Anyway, please let me know if this is just like regular baking soda or what. If you know. I got 1 russet potato. I'm going to clean that up and I'm going to make a baked potato with it. Got some Dijon mustard, Grey Poupon, made with white wine it says. I need that for a recipe, which I'll probably use the rest on sandwiches too. I won't just use it for that one recipe. I got some angel food cake. I'm going to put this in the freezer till I'm ready to use it. It's for a recipe coming up that I saw Fallon recently make on Moss Family TV. The bite-sized red potatoes I need for a recipe. I got some nachos, cheese, Doritos. I don't eat Doritos. Hardly ever do I eat Doritos. I'm not a big fan of it, but I do eat them once in a while. I'm not really a chip person. I don't eat a lot of chips. But this is a recipe I saw that I'm going to be using the nacho cheese in there. It's like an Mexican kind of recipe. I got a can of golden sweet whole kernel corn that I'm going to need in a recipe. And I got some chili with beans, but I was just going to use it like, you know, Fritos and corn chips. I was going to put that on there and make a meal, you know, just when I don't feel like cooking and I need a quick meal. Well, they're out of Frito corn chips. No surprise. They're out of stuff. And they gave me a very badly dented can, as you can see. Walmart. And I'm not the only one that has complaints about Walmart. Their pickup and their delivery. And you know I have had problems for a while and I've tried other places, but Walmart seems to be the cheapest, and some places don't have what I need, and like Amazon Fresh don't have some things. I got some Wonder Bread and this strawberry cheese Danish that I got that I like to eat for breakfast. I like their Danishes and their muffins. Got the 16 pounds of Friskies gravy swirlers. I feed that to the stray cats that I feed. I got a colony over here, and I had them fixed 4 years ago. I got this Equate. It compares to a leave. It works just as good as a leave. It's 100 tablets that I take for pain relief. I don't take it every day, only when I'm in a lot of pain from fibromyalgia and arthritis. 24 pack of Canada Dry Ginger Ale, 24 pack of Mountain Dew. Then I needed some distilled white vinegar, and I got 128 ounces, 1 gallon, because I use that a lot. I use it for cleaning. I use it in my laundry as a booster. I pour it down my sink with baking soda, and that's another reason. Well, that baking soda I can. Oh, here comes Remy. What? You coming to say hi? Okay. Say hi, everybody. We're doing a Walmart haul. Right? Yes.